Well, I was browsing around on YouTube as you do, and my friend Nick Nimmin regularly posts like little homework tips into his YouTube posts. And this is a particular one that he posted a few days ago from when I'm recording this. But I noticed in some of his comments under this one that people had trouble following the instructions. So I'm going to see if I can step through the instructions to show you visually what to do. So this is the one that you see on screen right now. It says homework. Look to see how competitive your last 3 videos are compared to other videos of similar length on YouTube. Step 1, log into YouTube Studio. You can see I've already done, I'm in Studio. And then I need to click on one of my recent videos in the Content tab. So what I want to do is go Content, and I'm in the Videos tab by default. I'm going to go and pick my previous to last one, which is this second one here, and click on Analytics. Now this is this little toggle here, the little bar graph thing, and that's going to pop me into the overview part. And it says scroll down the page and you'll see your video with a graph. Click the See More button. Now the video with a graph is this one here, talking about audience, key members of audience retention. See how it's got a video with it? So that when you see the graph and then there's the video. Scroll down the page, you'll see it, and click the See More button. So there's a See More button right here. This is what we're looking for. And you can see here now we're in the advanced mode of analytics. Now, it says step 5 under chart options in the left panel, which is the left-hand side over here. The chart options is here, where it says type audience retention. This is chart options. Change it from audience retention to compared to other videos, which is one of only 3 options. If you are mostly above the average, now you can see there's a solid average line, which is a straight line there. You can see over on the right-hand side, it says average, highs up there. It says if your wavy line, which represents your video, is mostly over the average, like mine's on or over most of the way, it just dips down at the end. So you can see the end of the video, people clicking away. If you're mostly above the average line, you're okay. So I'm doing all right on this particular video. If you're below the average line consistently, then start digging into your content to see how you can make it better for viewers. Now you can do that based on maybe seeing where it's dipping. So I've got a little bit dip. So my intro is a bit rough, but once we get through intros, it's good and it's pretty solid and average there, and then it drops down the end. So I'd find one of the parts where it's below the line. See, mine's only below the line until about 28 seconds in. So my intro probably needs a bit of work. Outro, I don't know what you can do about that, but anyway. But what I can do is look at that section of the video, that first 28 seconds of the video, and I can look at it right here on the page. I can look at 28 seconds. I can maybe scroll forward to it, see what happens at 28 seconds in. I'm still talking by the looks of things. Maybe that's the problem. And so you can dig in. So on each of those 3, like he said to do on 3 different videos, so you can go and do the same, rinse and repeat on any video you want on your channel. Bonus. Change the date range for this graph and your audience retention reports to see how different viewer groups respond differently over time. Now this is on lifetime because I only uploaded it a week or 2 ago. So I could, since uploaded lifetime is my default anyway. So I can like narrow down and maybe say, well, how's it going in the last 7 days? Some more of it's higher and some more of it's lower. I didn't keep a lot of the newer people coming in. Oh, big dip there. So I'm maybe not finishing my videos concisely, or at least this video concisely. So these are the sort of insights you can get just because, okay, this part of the video is below average from about 4, just under 5 minutes in, it drops down. This is the last 7 days, but I could drop that to, see, my first 24 hours when most of the people clicking and watching my video are people who I'm already subscribed to, my biggest fans. See, everything's above average. So that's why it's good to look at different date ranges. So if I look at my lifetime, it sort of gives me all my averages to date. So you can see what's going on here, and you can rinse and repeat with every video on your channel if you want to. Maybe just look at your recent ones. Maybe just look at the ones from the last 6 months because they're going to be ones that are closer to what you've been doing, basically. They're going to be closer to your style currently because 2, 3 years, 4, 5, 10 years ago, you were doing a completely different thing. You're doing it differently. But here, we're actually being able to look at some of my recent work and say, hey, yeah, maybe this is where it's a bit hit and miss. And one thing to keep in mind too, Nick is actually also, even though he's used that graphic for his homework graphic, he's got a second image. You'll see it on screen. But he's just demoing where that chart options, where you change it to compared to other videos. So I'm a little above average. My average percentage is only 24% though, which is interesting. But looking at throughout the video, I'm above average or on the average through most of it on this particular video. And a different video could be different. So what happens if I do want to look at a different video? Obviously I just have to go back out. So I can just close that and then go back over here. And let's go and look at my last main release here and click on analytics straight away. As again, we're going to scroll down and we're going to click see more. And then we're going to change it to compared to other videos. Now, when it says compared to other videos, what does that mean? Is it compared to other videos in my niche? No. Is it compared to other videos that talk about a similar topic? No. This is videos of similar length on YouTube. So obviously this particular video is 4 minutes and 41 seconds. So what videos are around that time frame, and am I above average or below average? That is the Nick Nimmin homework from a couple of days ago to see how competitive your last 3 videos are compared to other videos of similar length on YouTube. If that's a handy little breakdown on diving into advanced mode for one particular feature, aka audience retention, and compared to other videos, then make sure you hit the thumbs up and make sure to subscribe if you want more YouTube related content. I break the news, talk about new feature updates, and sometimes we dive into aspects of YouTube Studio. Well, this is Doug, and I'll catch you later.